So I would highly recommend that people that they are dealing with a real estate broker, they should be fully aware that real estate broker or the real estate company is a legitimate and professional individual or a company. The way that they can make sure of this is by making sure that the real estate broker is in fact registered with Dubai Land Department. So they have to be licensed to act as a broker. In order to make sure of that, they can show you their registration card, brokerage registration card, and they will have a brokerage number. If you go online, you can check that real estate agent's status.
Validated, basically.
Yeah, and the company as well. So we have ORN and we have BRN. BRN number is brokerage registration number. ORN is the office registration number. As long as they are registered, they are licensed, and they have good name in the market, then they can trust that real estate broker or real estate company.